Hello everyone. Welcome back to Next Step Immigration. We hope you're doing great today. Are you aware that the temporary skill shortage visa is sponsored by an employer? You need a sponsoring employer who is authorized to issue these visas, and they must recommend you for a post. The occupational list for 482 visas must include this position. Various occupation listings are available. The regional occupational list, the short-term occupational list, and the medium-term occupational list are three categories for these professions. What are the major updates? Please be aware that if you currently hold a 482 visa or if you submitted your 482 visa application before July 1, 2023 and are still waiting for a visa, these revisions may not apply to you. The temporary skill shortage visa has a minimum income requirement for the next fiscal year beginning July 1, 2023. As a person with a 482 visa, you can be paid a minimum of $70,000 annually. This implies that you must be paid at least 70,000 Australian dollars annually if you want to be eligible for a 482 visa, starting on July 1, 2023, or if your current 482 visa expires after that date and you need to apply for a new 482 visa. Before, those with 482 visas who worked in jobs on the short-term occupation list had to look for other ways to qualify for permanent residency. Under the temporary residence transition stream, only 482 visa holders with jobs on the medium-term occupation list were qualified for permanent residency. According to a recent announcement, 482 visa holders with jobs on any occupation list, including the regional occupation list, the short-term occupation list, and the medium occupation list, will be able to apply for the 186 permanent residency visa under the temporary residence transition stream by the end of the year. The threshold of 3 years of employment with the company has also been lowered to 2 years. Please be aware that if you plan to apply for the 186 visa after July 1, 2023, and you fall into the indicated cohort, this announcement has not yet been made into law, although it is anticipated to happen shortly. You must still get a remuneration of at least 70,000 Australian dollars per year, or at the market pay rate, which should be greater. What are the implications? Many Australians will be significantly impacted by these improvements. For people whose possibilities for permanent residency were previously constrained, this is excellent news. It gives 482 visa holders greater chances to obtain permanent residency through the temporary residence transition stream, including those on the short-term occupation list. Given that the qualifications for the direct admission stream might be more demanding and complicated, this is especially advantageous. It's crucial that you discuss these changes with your employer if you have a 482 visa. Be prepared in case you decide to use the temporary residence transition stream to apply for the 186 permanent resident visa. Which industries will be impacted? The rise is probably going to have the biggest effects on the hotel and retail sectors. This is because a significant fraction of companies in these areas may need to provide greater compensation in the future, in order to sponsor new foreign workers and extend the visas of their current employees. When their existing visas expire, about 21,000 immigrants with subclass 482 TSS visas, who earn between $53,900 and $70,000, may have to leave Australia if their employers do not increase their pay to more than $70,000 in order to extend their visas. The Grattan Institute study indicates that this group is mostly made up of cooks, chefs, retail and hospitality managers, as well as certain workers in the construction and automotive industries. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.